all, I'm Radhika from grade 7. Now I'm going to read speed card in maths. Is as an or from and or below more than has according again without period within or will the item it also around cross one then after hence during both well then thus the symmetry balance similar they have similar asymmetrical vertical horizontal diagonal polygon translational pattern logic sequence repeating alphabets geometrical sliding combination possibility splits flux reflection identical visualize rotation movement and circular sealing ideal appearance minimum revolution equilateral trapezium anti-clockwise symmetry half imaginary asymmetrical diagonal polygon translation Vortex sequence, geometrical sliding clips, rocks, reflection, identical visual ceiling, radial appearance, equilateral trapezium turning, and is as above below of always down depth that is given to for these on keep move will have each from hence use make then find if other and can means upon thus they may not hear under other when become they get any also with same over always within sub and of each in equal whole never hence between when there will let over positive denominator fraction integer standard form comparing indifferent multiplication respect reciprocal difference subtraction infinity methods connection withdrawal deposit interest of denominator divisibility integer and also above in a yearly letters goes in until then behind so on exponential base power exponential multiplication rational number inverse in observing portion unit diameter local approximately 10 kilograms narrated in exponential form exponential reciprocal multiplication simplification diameter a kilogram narrate integral exponential it's too similarly let us know the product whose already will then did down noting the mathematical exponential numerator numbers in the bottom arrow indicator with consequently comparing the multiplication in approximately estimate and that it has and or is more like on the same as set both never along written have cross but each just straight which these sections in observed segment such easily opening use falls arise while above basis about inner outer keep determine collinear non-collinear definite distinct interesting concurrent concurrency parallel perpendicular oblique endlessly infinite direction accurate comparing longer carefully drawback needy disturbing possibility surface thickness curved plane vertex degree angle interior exterior boundary enclosed shaded angular rotates magnitude decreasing arrange facts complete rotation protected semicircle edge classification obtuse acute complementary supplementary navigation revolution doodling curvilinear collinear intersecting concurrent concurrency perpendicular oblique endlessly curved plane rotates magnitude complete rotation protected semicircle edge classification obtuse acute complementary supplementary revolution doodling curvilinear is by more of the from where of an writing and can work small large value without of digit you know which one's tens hundred names value place seeing is as some following right as less more red less who or and use equal form order 1 to that third or even in the internal system numerals expanded form determines such a process compare order around Hindu Arabic numerals Roman connect concept language science tradition missing greatest smallest lakh thousand together Thomas periods 1000 written speed 100 1580 abacus represent rows denoted 1390 according colored expanded standard express ascending increase form descending extreme exchange arrange least useful nearest down between lies around millions multilingual Indian international system numerals expanded form determines such a process compare order around Hindu Arabic numerals thousands of numbers to get the one students are replaced by the and that remain very things let's some blocks and more blanks and all this perfect property conditions are because respiration blocks comparing something and designing a control around the human reading as being reasonable properties take human property of the basis of the human and block the single lab is the sum nearest to one to some after together because instrument of correct concept after in iron source and tradition step under the thousands facing the method problems surround consider instrument nearest to 100 students to take it in a 1000 concept is the instrument to the is the example of the brand as the verify number the differences the answer that takes color the between the conditions of problem we had as right there is something to get this as you with this form that section right before after between the other is that of that one with then given calling subject value each value that and one numbers greatest greatest smallest blocks and thousand building and counting patterns 60 and expanding expressing sharp different to compare expert type is slide arrange descending order descending a pair is over left in the always turns can form extreme challenge right beginning gives constant inspiration out of 3 years down up this down moving up the same blow that running down together let us expect that one magic man created for effect the down number 16 and 26 are environment system out of 10 numbers 3 happens numbers of digit and with the you know which 1 10 100 names value placed in is as such following right question and answer has less more braid less who or and use equal for order 1 2 that called odd even set to identify build express expanded represent other class 5 compare decide select concept cover
Round crab Fisher 118. Set reposition block numerical each itself colored expanded from representation tool maximum beats stands buttons. Set 4 bangles bobble shows code exemption compare sign ascending descending increasing decreasing pair animal person. Set 5 second third first whether triangle hot rectangle circle differentiation ending. Challenge express expanded represent upper class numerical each itself marble show score examination rectangle circle differentiation ending 118 buttons sketching